Hey, what's up, traders? How are you doing? I hope you guys must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. So, let's have a look at the Euro US dollar today since I have received tons and tons of messages. Hey, Aftab, you are not explaining the Euro US dollar. So, well, my friends, you know, in the weekly forecast in the last 2 weeks I discussed it, and finally the setup that I discussed earlier, it completed. Right, I was out of the market before that, right before it, but right here I exit the market. So I want to tell you that why I exit the market, because I was afraid of this thing, the thing that is happening right now. An interest rate decision in next few hours. So this was the reason I quit this trade, like I left this position. And that is why I always tell you, all of you, that that emotional trading is not good. Let's say if I told myself that now this is like still like the market is going up and I should keep the position. So if that was my, let's suppose, my thought process, then it became my habit. And once it becomes my habit, it means that one day it will work nicely, second day it will work nicely, 3 5 days it will work nicely, but every time, now my friend, don't ever think about it. It's not going to do this forever, right? So if this level was a take profit area, it was supposed to be, the trade was supposed to be closed. And just like in the last weekly forex forecast, what I tell you, I tell you that my strategy has three things: buy, sell, wait, right? So as per my strategy, I am currently on wait, right? Keep this thing in mind. Today's interest rate decision may not affect me because I may not be trading, right? And why I didn't took it a sell, I already have told you in the weekly forecast. Here you see, even on this candle I didn't took a sell because a valid pattern was not right here. Valid pattern was not present right here. The only valid pattern that was the breakout of this level and then the retest of this. Are you getting my point? The breakout of this level and the retest of this level. So the breakout was to the top side of the market and the retest was the broken level, so it was supposed to be for a bullish zone. But for me, market did exactly the way I have told in my previous videos, and I am so much happy about it, right, my friends? So I have also decided, my friends, that now I'm not going to do those forecast style videos anymore. Now I want to keep them friendly, right? Because I need, like, as an analyst, I also need some relaxation time, right? And relaxation time is when I read these charts. You cannot imagine that how much my mind gets tired. You cannot imagine. It gets tired from the inside, and then I cannot focus on anything else. I just keep reading the charts, like until and unless my mind is completely like, go to bed. So I want to do these like very friendly way, casual way, right? Clear? So as I was saying, this strategy, yes, it is very nicely working for me, and I am on a wait. Now how much time will it take for like how much time will it take for the price to be in this range? Well, no one can tell us this, right? No one can tell us that how much time it is going to spend in this range. But one thing, and I'm sure about that, and that is on the H4 it is clearly trending upward. So intraday bulls might be successful today before the news, and after the news I have no idea what the market gives us, right? Because by then I will be like, it will be 6:30 p.m. here, so I will be breaking my fast, and yeah. So the intraday traders, well, I just don't want to go to that side for now. First understand is that how much time will it spend right here? We have no idea, literally no idea. It can drop again till here and then continue back to the top. 1.11908 2022 level, you know, this stronger one. And now I don't want to go into the details of it because I have already explained this setup in the weekly forecast. Clear? Now give me some moments so that I think that, okay, what should be the next approach? Well, one can say that, okay, this, just 1 second. I've like did some settings, and maybe also do let me know how this background looks, how the numbers looks to you. Are they clear? So let's see. I personally like this background very nicely, right? This feature actually, the one that I just invented today. Anyways, so after all, as a trader, I should think that what should I do? See, well, one simple approach can be, as a long-term trader, I say, okay, I wait for this 618, and then I do what? At 1.04 I re-enter again into the market as a bull. Nice, fantastic. But what about this zone? You know, this is a range between 1.0950 and 1.0816, these two levels. So this is obviously a range on the daily and even on the H4. But if I switch to the H1, things can start a little bit clear to me, because you know I trade in between two levels. So now is the time that, okay, if there is some day trader watching me right now, and if he is thinking, what should I do after all? First, we also have to see the weekly. This is the second week it is taking a rejection from there. So on the news, it can drop very badly, even breaking it. But what about this range? A double top is formed as well. Here at this zone, we have a previous breakout occurred. So even I say, okay, this is also my zone. To the bullish side, yes, one thing is clear. Oh, this this fly. So to the bullish side, this will happen, right? It may take time, but it will then reach to 1.12. To the selling side, well, it will confirm. If it confirms like this, a break below, then a retest of it, then I think yes, this level can then give some profits to the sell side of the market, and this will be the target 2 and obviously target 1, and maybe how many targets you said, that depends on you. So 3 targets, 1 the early one, 2 and the 3. So my friends, in very simple words, if I tell you, this is what's going on in the longer run. I'm talking in terms of if this euro US dollar is going to hit 1.12, or it is going to take a rejection from 1.09500 towards 1.04700 precisely, and the other numbers 1.0565 can also play an important role, because this is a previous breakout level. Now a bit long term image, a bit long term for the next few years. If I show you euro US dollar is showing this thing, right? But I just don't want to go into the details of it right now. This is a fantastic one. Now let's move to the H1 a little bit as well. So on the H1, things are very much simple. This was the actual support it took. It started its rally. So from here till here till here, a 61.8, 61.8, this and this. This level, like this ABCD pattern on the H1 is showing 1.1012. So yes, it can be a spike up area, and once it completes, there will be nothing left on the H1, right? So then sellers might appear right here near one, precisely 1.1010, as per my this, what we say, as per my this plan. And another good opportunity can be near this zone, but obviously the bulls already took profit from the 618 towards almost 37 pips, and market is dropping back. I think, yeah, if someone can wait further, that will be fine, because if you see, it's all about structures. You know, that day I discusses dollar CHF, So another video I will be uploading about that as well, right? But for now, this is the euro dollar, and those who understand this concept, I can guarantee you that you will be successful, right? Now deleting everything for now. I will be referring to this video from the future. I will be sending users to this video from the future. So if I sum up everything for today, yes, this is 1.0768 can also be a very fantastic level. Now it depends on you guys, okay? All of these are important levels, all of these, and as soon as the price closes below this, it is most likely continuing down. But as I said, too many things going on in the market, my friends, right? See, these bulls have not exactly got completion, so yes, they can create the market a little bit confused. Otherwise, this is purely like, still like, I should say, a bullish one. But market at the moment is standing at such a point where we can expect that we may see a pullback. Do you get my point? In the last 2 weeks I'm saying it, if we get a pullback, I'm going to re-enter into this market. And if I see these little setups, little setups, I should say, then yes, I will be trying to get quickly 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 pips from it. And same story is going on the pound dollar as well. So drop is still expected, but today is a news. So, and the interest rate decision, they are not going to change the rates, right? So if the rates are uncut, how the big investors take this? They have to, maybe we can see very less volume today, because then they will say we have to see the unemployment claims and the consumer index and the other things, you know. So then they will say that, and due to which we see less volume, and market will be keep following these algorithmic movements and will be following these levels. So I will be getting back to you on these topics again and again, and I just want to do these videos live, kind of live style. Live, I mean like the live stream style, okay? And this video is going straight to the YouTube, so I'm not going to edit it. It's very nice and pleasant outside, and now I'm going out to just chill out with my family. See you, and give me your feedback about this video, because I'm going to bring fantastic educational stuff for all of you, right? So yes, take a lot of care of yourself. Keep me in your prayers. I will keep you in my prayers. Wherever you are, you stay happy and blessed. Make lots and lots of profits. Bye.